Hi everyone! Welcome back to WEKA. In today's video, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to delete all emails in Gmail, whether you're clearing up space. But don't forget to subscribe for more content from WEKA. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gmail. This process works best on a browser, not on the Gmail application. Next, sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, open All Email, click the checkbox at the top left corner to select all the emails displayed on the current page. One page can usually select only 50 emails. Now, click the trash icon to send these emails to your trash folder. Don't worry, they're not permanently deleted yet. Do this several times, or click Select All Conversations in All Mail to delete them at once. But to sort important emails, it's better to click one by one. To delete them permanently, open the trash folder and click Empty Trash, and just like that, your inbox is clean and organized. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to WEKA for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.